Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living Homestead. My name is Daniel, and can you believe it that on-gridders are challenging an off-gridder? Let me explain a little bit about this, so just so you have a heads up. On this YouTube channel, Countree Girl, and it's spelled funny, but it's Countree Girl, and I'll put it up here, and I'll put a link down in the description so you can go find it. But they have been doing this cooking contest, and wow, the food's been coming out of there. So I was like, challenging them to try an off-gridder. So they do a randomizer, and they pick which meals they're gonna cook. It's just random. It's just randomizers and come up, and pizza came up for my challenge when I'm the guest challenge, and pizza came up. I just, it seems a little unfair, don't you? But anyway, there's several other people in there in this challenge. There's Brian 12345 Susan Sullivan. Everybody knows Susan Sullivan. Mr. Mach 1, he has a great channel. He's got awesome junkyard stuff. He got some fantastic cars. You just would not believe the cars on his site. And Rambling Mountain Rose. And I invite y'all all to go check out their channels, and if you want to, hit the subscribe button while this thing is still hot. It's still hot, and it just retains its heat so long. So Friday night, go over to Countree Girls channel, and she'll have a video of everybody's dish. You won't know whose is whose. You won't even know mine. So you won't know whose is whose. All you have to do in that video is just pick out which plate you like, and then in the bottom comments, just put what number it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there's 6, I'm not sure how many. I think there's 6. So you just pick which one it is. Then Sunday, after everybody's voted all weekend long, we find out who's the winner. So it's purely on looks. I wish you could go on taste, because they just don't know. Fire cooks everything better. All right, guys, y'all go check them out, and y'all go there and vote. For the best one, even if it's not mine. Vote for the best one, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ani Ove Ocha means I love in Hebrew. Later, guys.